What are you doing? Are you snuggling with me? Yeah. Oh. Love you too, baby. Sleepy girl. Should we go for a walk? Oh, does that sound like something you want to do? Should we go down to the lake? Do you want to go for a walk? Oh, oh, okay. I guess that's a yes. Let's get going. Come on. It's okay. I know you're not used to the water. You're not a... She says, no, not right now. So when it comes to shifting our energy, we have to focus on the things that we have control over and that are in the direction of our dreams. So something somebody pointed out to me the other day, which is probably pretty important for me, and that is to write things down, make a list. So of the things that I am going to be working on to shift my energy, kind of part of it evolves around my house. So the pantry has been created from an old entryway, and my house is 97 years old. So it works out really great where it's at, and it's been drywalled and primered, but I'm going to paint it. I'm going to use the light yellow on there, and I think that'll look really nice. A later project, I have a gallon of white trim paint, and most of my trim is primered also, so I have the paint to go ahead and do that. I will have to get some finer brushes delivered for that, but that will add a nice finishing touch as well. And then I'll really just have the blue room to repaint, and that's going to be a bit of a chore because of the height But we will see. Also, another thing that I want to do is my elderly neighbors that they had a branch down from one of the storms, and I took care of that a few weeks ago, and now it looks like they need their lawn mowed. It's pretty high. It's maybe a foot high, and the neighbors next to them have a service. I was told they were related, but maybe they're not. But since today is a nice cool day, it's about 60 degrees, I thought I would walk my lawnmower over there and go take care of that yard for them. So that'll be a job well done. And then I'll probably get started on my pantry. I also want to move a couple of the pink phlox that I have out in the front. I'm going to move one of them up by the house, by the magnolia tree, and I'm going to space apart the other ones so that it's nice and full. And I'm probably going to try to get a hold of some of my neighbors around here that have some different phlox and see if I can trade them some pink for other colors. So we'll see how that goes. On my way back from the lake, this lavender plant was in a trash bag out to be put out with for the trash, and it's 4 equal plants, so I just divvied it up and planted it here. It likes the clay soil, so hopefully that will work out well. And then it should match my phlox that are up front here. And then I took that same pot and I pulled up some spearmint. This is chocolate spearmint. Excuse me, and it makes excellent tea. This one looks a little wilty, but these things will kick back no problem. I'll fill that in nicely. And then once it takes off, I will take it over to the neighbor lady so that she can have some tea year-round. Fresh spearmint tea. And if anyone knows what this plant is right here, let me know. I think it ends up looking kind of like a dandelion, but it's definitely different. I don't know, I'll find out soon, but if somebody knows what this is, let me know. Now here's the one phlox, and I want to put another one probably right over here. I'm not worried about that area over there, but that'll look pretty there with the lily of the valley. That looks better. That should take off there well. Evens out that corner. I did not get to the pantry yet. Maybe tomorrow.